Monday, June 26th. This is the get the truck day. It's like 6, no, it's 7 in the morning. 7 in the morning, so we got most of the stuff packed up. I have to cut the tables today. Why is that still plugged in? I should have put that away. You know, this room's looking fucking stellar. It's like basically good to go. So it's time to load the truck, right? A lot of stuff to do. I'm just fucking exhausted. So the idea is that if I get the truck loaded today, I can head out tomorrow morning. But if that doesn't happen, it's not the end of the world. We'll go back tomorrow at some point. We'll just whatever has to happen. Officially sold my firstborn child for this U-Haul. We are gonna U-Haul. We're U-Hauling now. Man, I'm tired already. But let's rock. Thank you everybody for tagging along for this adventure. This is gonna be a ride. I think I should do a check-in, hey? It's, I don't know, it's like the middle of the day. It's almost 2 o'clock, I think. Still gotta cut the tables. This is still going out the door. But, we got things going in there, in that truck. Status is I gotta wait for this. I gotta wait for my battery to recharge before I get finished cutting the table. It sucks, but it's kind of screeching everything to a halt. Everything else is going all right. I think that everything will fit, but I think that it's just I also have to drive across the country, so I gotta listen to my body. Looks like we're gonna be packing for a little bit longer than I thought. Right, another day is okay. I think we'll survive. We'll survive. I don't know if doing a little monologue will help, but we're doing it. Just having a lot of anxiety. We're like halfway packed up with the truck, right? But I wish I was further along at this point. Obviously, I'm dealing with some emotional stuff. I'm dealing with, it's my best friend is helping me, right? And that's the truth. You peel back the veil, right? When I talk about my best friend, I'm talking about my wife. My ex-wife, right? We're still close, and she's still gonna be here as I travel across the country, right? It's like, it's still hard leaving my dog too, my big buddy. And like, I'll be back to visit pretty soon, because he's old, and I'm not gonna let him go very long without me seeing him, right? Because I just don't know. The truth is you don't know how much time he's got left, right? And that's just the fucking facts. You gotta just kind of get to it and then work that instead of avoid it, right? Rather than just being avoidant. Now my left foot's going a little numb, so I don't know if the monologue's helping. Either way, I guess I just wanted to be open about the situation, open about yeah, it's hard. Things are hard. I'm exhausted from moving. That's not helping, right? Emotional, mental kind of thing, physical, whatever the fuck you want to call that. I don't know when I'll get to post this, honestly. I got a lot of video edits to do. I haven't been able to edit the video of the progress coming up to this point, but maybe we'll just edit it all together. We'll make a big super cut up into me breaking down and having, a panic attack, effectively. We're gonna get going, we're gonna get moving, we're gonna get some stuff done, and we're gonna feel better. I'm gonna start feeling better, I think, I hope. Maybe we'll check in. The reason I'm not like doing a lot of time lapses during this time of loading the truck, blah, 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 it's just respect out of my ex-wife, honestly. She doesn't need to be a part of my social media journey. She doesn't necessarily want to be, and that's not fair to her, to drag her into kind of my public vlogging, situation, you know what I mean? So, thank you for understanding that part too. She's incredible. And she's awesome. And I'm very appreciative of her. I feel better for the most part. You probably saw that I continued to cut the table, right? Right now, just hanging in the parking garage, waiting for my driver to come back. She's just got to change because she got real dirty. Decided to do the lawn. Try to mow the lawn. When we get back, we're gonna get the tables cut, we're gonna get that shit loaded, and then I'll take a breather. Like, you can't predict or plan for how physically, mentally, and emotionally draining a situation like this is. But onward and upward. think there was a version of today where I actually got on the road and started going, but it's really just not worth it. Got my hook here, trying to get my knots out, but if they charge me for an extra day on the U-Haul, that's whatever. Like, I don't even care what the cost is. You gotta respect your body. Plus, you got like 3 solid days of just driving. Maybe 3.5. It's gonna be brutal. So it's better that I just chill out, try and get a good night's rest, wake up tomorrow, kind of just finish just button the things up, right? Just like the final little touches, getting the things in the truck, right? And get this little bug on the road, right? Yeah. Go for a ride? Tomorrow. A ride like you've never known. The longest ride to the dog park ever. So, yeah, I guess I'm just gonna keep journaling this way. I know that I haven't been posting or editing, but I can't right now. Financially, it's going to be tight. Real tight coming into this. Well, I guess I should just say out of this, right? You're figuring out this move. It's tight. It's real tight. It's gonna suck. It sucks. Moving sucks. The whole situation sucks. But again, very thankful. Very, very thankful for everything that